How to deactivate Instagram accounts again in a week. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can deactivate our Instagram account again in a week, so make sure to watch the video till the end. And if you had actually recently deactivated your Instagram account and again you reactivated and it's not been even 7 days and again you're trying to deactivate it, in that case you can't deactivate it. Now, because according to Instagram, the question here is you can only deactivate your account once a week and you must wait at least 1 week after deactivating your account before you can deactivate it again. For example, if you deactivate your account on February 1st or 2nd of 2018 and reactivate it on the 10th of 2018 of February, then you can't deactivate it again until the 18th 2018. Now you can choose to deactivate it by going to your Instagram account, coming to your profile page, then tapping on the three lines option and whatnot. But unfortunately, without all this, you will actually not be able to go ahead and then basically deactivate your account, because you have to wait a week, and this is the rule to avoid spam or bot-like behavior on Instagram. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.